Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Quest 3 is updated and has battery above half. This prevents interruptions. Next, open the Quest store and search for Google Earth. Install directly if available. If you sideload, enable developer mode on the Meta app and connect via USB, then accept the debugging prompt on the headset. Once done, install the companion app on your phone for easier navigation. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable so map tiles download smoothly while you move through the tutorial. Once Google Earth is running, grant required permissions so places and voice search work correctly. Adjust your guardian and seating position to avoid collisions, then calibrate the controllers to ensure pointer accuracy. Use the joystick or grab gestures to teleport across cities, pinch or joystick to zoom, and hold the right trigger while moving to tilt for angled views. Make sure to explore the layer menu to toggle 3D buildings, labels, and imagery dates. These directly affect what you see and how smoothly. To finish, create placemarks for favorite spots and save tours so you can return quickly. This avoids repeated long loads. Use the record or cast features to share your flight with others on a phone or TV. If you encounter lag, first reduce rendering quality in settings, then clear cache data and restart the app. If problems persist, reboot the headset and check Wi-Fi. Remember that large 3D city areas require more bandwidth and GPU time, so lowering detail often restores smooth navigation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.